Hello and welcome to 01 Services. In the last video we installed the GNS3 VM using VMware Fusion. Link to that video is in the description. In this video we will be installing the GNS3 GUI application on Apple Silicon and connect it to our GNS3 Virtual Machine. First step is to check the version of our GNS3 VM. Let's open VMware Fusion and run the GNS3 Virtual Machine. So, our VM is on version 2.2.46. Next step is to download the GNS3 GUI app. We can do a simple Google search for this, GNS3 download. Open the official GNS3 website. I will put the official link in description as well. Select your platform, Mac for me, and also verify the latest version 2.2.46. This needs to match with the version of GNS3 VM. It will ask you to log in or create account. Enter details and select Create Account. Once account is created, go to the download page and download the application. Download is complete. Let's install. Now let's run the GNS3 application. Now go to Preferences, then Server, and under Main Server set the protocol to HTTP and set the IP address of GNS3. The user and password both are GNS3. Click OK. On the left side now it shows main server is up and in green. We can now create a new project and start using GNS3 for networking labs. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.